Did you know that people over the age of 50 often carry up to 4.4 pounds of toxic waste stuck to their intestinal walls? Yes, that's nearly 2 kilograms of old, decaying matter sitting inside your gut right now, and you might not even feel it, but it's there, quietly building up year after year. And it's not just sitting there harmlessly. That waste can leak toxins into your bloodstream every single day. These toxins don't just stay in your stomach, they travel. They go to your liver, your kidneys, your heart, your skin, and even your brain. They weaken your immune system. They cause fatigue, bloating, and brain fog. They steal your energy, your mood, and your health. And yet most people have no idea this is happening inside them. That's why this video is so important. Because I'm going to show you a simple 5-night method to clean out your gut using just warm water, fresh lemon, and one of 2 powerful ingredients: olive oil or chia seeds. No chemicals, no expensive pills, no harsh laxatives, just gentle, natural cleansing using what's already in your kitchen. But first, let's understand the problem. As we age, our digestion slows down, our gut muscles don't move as well, our body makes less stomach acid, we chew slower, we drink less water, we move less. All of this causes food to digest more slowly. Some of that food stays in the intestines for too long. It gets stuck in the corners of your colon. Over time, this leftover food rots and turns into sticky, rubbery waste. That waste hardens. It clings to the walls of your intestines like dried glue, and your body can't remove it through normal bowel movements. This is why you might go to the toilet every day and still have pounds of old waste trapped inside you. And that old waste isn't just gross, it's dangerous. It creates gas and bloating, it messes with your hormones, it feeds bad bacteria, and worst of all, it poisons your body slowly. This is called auto-intoxication. It means you are being slowly poisoned from the inside out by your own waste. You might feel tired for no reason. Your joints might ache. You may have trouble sleeping. Your breath might smell bad even after brushing. You may get constipated often. You might feel heavy or puffy. You may even feel anxious or sad. These are all signs your gut is struggling, and seniors feel it more. That's because as we get older, our gut becomes weaker, not stronger. If we don't help it, things get worse over time. But here's the good news. Nature has already given us the tools to fix this. You don't need anything fancy, you just need to support your body gently. And that's where this 5-night gut cleanse comes in. It uses 3 ingredients that work together: warm water, lemon juice, and either olive oil or chia seeds. These are not random items. They are time-tested, backed by tradition, and supported by science. Let's talk about each one. First, lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Citric acid is known to help soften hardened waste. It breaks down mucus and helps your liver produce more bile. Bile is a natural fluid that flushes out fat, waste, and toxins from your body. Lemon also makes your gut environment less friendly for harmful bacteria. That means fewer infections, less inflammation, and better digestion overall. Second, warm water. Most people drink cold water, but warm water is better for cleansing. Warm water relaxes your intestines. It helps your gut muscles move better. It softens hard waste and makes it easier to pass. Think of it like washing dirty dishes. You need warm water to loosen the grime. That's exactly what warm water does inside your gut. Now the third ingredient is where you get to choose. Option 1 is extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat. It lubricates your intestines and makes it easier to move waste. It also helps stimulate bile from your liver, which helps break down food and toxins. Olive oil has been used in the Mediterranean for generations as a digestive remedy. Some even call it liquid gold for gut health. Option 2 is chia seeds. Chia seeds are full of soluble fiber. When you soak them in water, they swell up and form a gel. This gel acts like a broom inside your intestines. It scrubs your gut walls gently and pushes old waste out. Chia seeds also feed your good gut bacteria. That helps improve immunity and mood. So, how do you use this method? Well, it's very simple. Each night before bed, just take 1 glass of warm water. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Then, add either 1 tablespoon of olive oil or 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. If you choose chia seeds, remember to soak them in the water for at least 20 minutes before drinking. Stir well and drink the whole glass slowly. Do this every night for 5 nights in a row. Don't skip any days. And make sure you do it right before going to bed, on an empty stomach. Why bedtime? Well, because your body actually cleans itself at night. While you sleep, your liver, kidneys, and intestines are working to remove waste. This drink gives them the boost they need to do it even better. Now, what should you expect? On night 1, you might feel a little gurgling in your stomach. You might go to the toilet a bit more the next morning. Nothing dramatic yet. Night 2 is where many people start noticing changes. Your stool may look different. It might be darker, softer, or larger. You may see mucus or stringy materials. This is old waste finally being removed. You might also feel a bit tired or gassy. That's just your body processing the toxins. By night 3, most people report major changes. Bloating goes down, your stomach feels flatter, and you just feel lighter overall. Some people even notice better sleep, clearer skin, or more mental clarity, which is pretty amazing. On night 4, things really start to stabilize. Your digestion feels smoother, and you might notice less joint pain or even a better mood. Then on night 5, the last of the stubborn waste usually comes out. People have actually reported seeing strange rope-like substances in their stool. This is the plaque that's been stuck inside for years, and it's a sign the cleanse is really working. Now you might wonder, is this safe? For most people, yes, it absolutely is. It's very gentle, and these are food-based ingredients, so you're not shocking your system at all. You're really just supporting it. But if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a serious gut condition like Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, you should definitely talk to your doctor first. Also, if you take a lot of medications, it's wise to ask your doctor before starting. But for the average healthy senior, this cleanse is very safe. It helps you reboot your gut without any stress. And honestly, the best part is, you feel the results pretty quickly. Now once the 5 nights are over, your journey doesn't stop there. You don't want to go back to your old habits and let the waste build up again, right? You want to stay clean and healthy. And that's where part 2 of this video comes in. I'll show you how to keep your gut clean for life using easy habits that cost nothing at all. I'll also tell you what foods to eat more of, what to avoid, and how to use lemon water every day for better health. So keep watching because the second half of this video will give you the full plan to live lighter, feel clearer, and protect your gut for years to come. So now that you've completed the 5-night gut cleanse using lemon, warm water, and either olive oil or chia seeds, you're probably feeling a bit lighter, less bloated, and maybe even more energetic. But here's something very important to understand. Cleansing your gut isn't just something you do once and forget. Think of it like cleaning your kitchen or brushing your teeth. You don't do it once and say, "I'm done forever." You do it regularly to stay clean and healthy. Your gut needs the same attention. So let's now talk about how to keep your digestive system clean, active, and toxin-free every day, even after this 5-day detox is done. First, let's begin with what you should drink every single morning. Start your day with a warm glass of water and half a lemon squeezed into it. This simple habit supports your liver, wakes up your digestive system, and keeps your colon moving. The citric acid in lemon keeps breaking down leftover waste and mucus. Warm water keeps things soft and moving. It's the perfect way to gently detox your body every morning, especially for seniors. And no, you don't need to add sugar or honey, just warm water and lemon juice is enough. If you want to go a step further, add a pinch of turmeric or a dash of black pepper. That can reduce inflammation and boost antioxidant protection. Now let's talk about food. The truth is, food can be your medicine or your poison. If you go back to eating processed food, sugary snacks, or too much fried food, your gut will get clogged again quickly. Instead, fill your plate with fiber-rich foods. Eat apples, papayas, bananas, pears, and berries. These fruits are not just tasty. They're full of soluble fiber that helps clean your intestines and feed good gut bacteria. Add vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, carrots, and beets. Steam them, sauté them lightly, or eat them raw in small portions. Also, legumes like lentils and beans are excellent. They're high in fiber and protein and great for your heart too. Whole grains are also helpful. Eat oats, brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat. Avoid white bread, white rice, and processed cereals. They have very little fiber and just clog your system. One easy trick, add a tablespoon of soaked flax seeds or chia seeds to your porridge or smoothie. It helps your stool stay soft and easy to pass. Now what about hydration? This is so important, especially for seniors. Most older people don't drink enough water. And, dehydration is a big reason for constipation and toxin buildup. You should aim to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Set reminders if you forget. Keep a water bottle next to you. If plain water is boring, add a slice of lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor. Herbal teas like peppermint, chamomile, fennel, or ginger can also help digestion and reduce bloating. Avoid drinking cold water with meals. It slows digestion. Instead, sip warm water during or after your meals. Now let's talk about movement. You don't need to run marathons, but gentle movement is critical. Walking 20 to 30 minutes a day can do wonders. It keeps your bowels moving, helps circulation, and reduces inflammation. After meals, go for a slow walk, even if it's just around your room or garden. Sitting all day makes digestion slower and weaker. If you can, do gentle stretches, leg lifts, or chair yoga. This helps your gut muscles stay active. Also, your posture matters. Sit straight while eating. Don't eat lying down or slouched. Good posture helps your organs work better. Now here's something most people ignore. How you eat is just as important as what you eat. Slow down. Chew your food properly. Don't gulp. Digestion starts in the mouth. If your food isn't chewed well, your stomach and intestines have to work harder. That causes gas, bloating, and poor absorption. Try putting your spoon down between bites. Focus on your food. Don't eat while watching TV or scrolling on your phone. Also, eat in a relaxed state. If you're stressed, your body shuts down digestion. Take a few deep breaths before eating. Say a short prayer or gratitude if that helps you calm down. Your stomach works better when you're relaxed. Now let's go over a few things to avoid if you want to keep your gut clean. Stay away from processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meats. These are high in chemicals that harm your gut lining. Avoid fried foods and fast food since they're full of bad fats and toxins. Cut back on sugar. It feeds bad bacteria and causes inflammation. Watch out for foods with artificial sweeteners like aspartame. They confuse your gut bacteria. Also, limit red meat. If you eat it, keep it to once or twice a week and always with lots of vegetables and fiber. Try to avoid eating late at night. Your digestive system also needs rest. Try to finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping. If you feel hungry later, drink warm water or have a few soaked almonds or a banana. Now what about supplements? If you want extra support, consider a good quality probiotic. This helps add good bacteria to your gut. A magnesium supplement can help with regular bowel movements, but don't overdo it. Natural sources like leafy greens, seeds, and nuts are better. You can also drink aloe vera juice in small amounts, but only if it suits your stomach. Don't go for harsh laxatives or detox teas. They can make your gut lazy and cause dehydration. Natural, gentle solutions work better long-term. One of the best things you can do? Keep doing a mini version of the cleanse once every 2 weeks. Just take warm water, lemon and chia seeds or olive oil before bed for 1 or 2 nights. This helps keep things moving and prevents buildup. It's like a mini tune-up for your gut. Now let's talk about your emotions. Your gut and brain are deeply connected. If you are stressed, sad, or anxious, your gut feels it. You might notice bloating, tightness, or even diarrhea during emotional stress. That's not a coincidence. Your gut has its own nervous system, sometimes called your second brain. That's why taking care of your mental health is also part of gut health. Try meditation, deep breathing, prayer, or journaling. Talk to loved ones. Get some sun, laugh, sleep well. These all help your digestion work better. If you're not sleeping well, your gut won't heal. Make sure your bedroom is dark, cool, and quiet. Don't eat too close to bedtime. Avoid caffeine in the evening. Try calming teas like chamomile or warm turmeric milk. Now here's the final thing. Listen to your body. If something feels off, don't ignore it. Keep a journal of how your body feels after different meals or drinks. Note when you feel bloated or tired. This can help you understand your own body better. Healing is not about perfection. It's about small daily steps. Even doing 2 or 3 of the things mentioned here can change how you feel. You deserve to feel light, energetic, and clear. You don't have to accept gas, bloating, or fatigue as part of aging. That's not aging, that's buildup, and you can reverse it. This 5-night cleanse is just the beginning. It helps you see what your body is capable of when it's given the chance to heal. But the real magic happens in your daily habits. A clean gut leads to better immunity, better mood, sharper memory, and a longer life. It helps your skin glow, it helps your joints hurt less. It helps you wake up with more energy. Isn't that worth a few simple changes? So, let's recap. Keep drinking warm lemon water every morning. Eat more fruits, veggies, whole grains, and soaked seeds. Stay away from processed food and sugar. Move your body every day. Chew your food well. Eat calmly. Sleep peacefully. And listen to what your body is telling you. Clean your gut with natural remedies, not harsh products. And repeat the gentle cleanse once or twice a month. These small habits can change everything. You don't need to suffer in silence. You can heal. And it starts from the inside out. Try it. Watch what comes out in your stool. And more importantly, watch what comes alive in your life. Your body is ready. Give it the support it needs. And thank you for taking the time to care for your health. Your gut is the center of everything. When you clean it, you clean your life. Let's live lighter, longer, and stronger, one cleanse at a time.